What's going on, fam? That was a little video of a meet that I went to out in Ibach in Corona. If you guys know who these guys are, go ahead and tag them on the comments or something, or tag their Instagrams, because I don't know them. I don't know everybody there. Also, I met a bunch of cool people. Some guy that he imports cars. Thank you guys for subscribing. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment on the video if you guys like the video. I haven't been posting this past couple of days because I got sick. I've been sick, so can't really like concentrate on stuff. I've been just resting and stuff. So this is it for today. Hope you guys have a great weekend. I'll be up next week throwing a couple of videos. I'm gonna try to put about 2 videos a week at least. I hope you guys have a great weekend. You know, stay safe out there. Thanks a lot for all the support. I really appreciate it. See you guys on the next video. Peace.